Well, hello. So this is the first of a series of slack key ukulele lessons. And this is my tenor ukulele. It plays exactly like and tunes the same as a soprano, a concert, or a tenor. So those three are the same. And so if it looks a little bigger than yours, it doesn't matter. It plays the same, everything's the same, tunes the same. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Now, slack key is different than normal ukulele. I talked a little bit about that in Banjo Lesson Ground Zero, and I even show how to tune an ukulele. I'm going to show that again in a different way. So, the standard tuning for ukulele, the jingle is good cooks eat a lot. So it's G, C, E, A normally. To do slack key, you change the tuning on this last string. That's an A, or really technically it's called the first string. That's an A, and you lower it, so you detune it down to a G note. So slack key ukulele is good cooks eat garbage. And I don't know that that's a real thing. That's just what I say. And so this one has an onboard tuner. So I thought I'd show you how that works. You can see my tuner, and I'm looking for, that's a G, and it's in tune. So that's good. Then cooks is a C. There's a C. It's a little low. So I'm going to just fix that. And so I turn it up. And then I'm looking for that. Get to hit in the middle and be green. There it is. Good cooks eat. And then garbage. And you can work with that. And you turn this way to tighten and that way to loosen. So there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and teach the barring chords first, and we'll develop this song over time. Much like I did in Easy Peasy Banjo Lesson 5, I developed this song Amazing Grace all in the same video. I'm not going to do that with the ukulele because this is the first lesson. So I'm just going to teach 3 bar positions, which are enough to be able to do the song Amazing Grace, and we'll learn things as we go with that song. There's your C chord. On a banjo, this open chord would be a G. On an ukulele, it's a C chord. There's your C, and then if you count your frets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the first dot on mine. That is an F chord. And you need to know the names of the chords, because if you ever want to read it off of a chord, off of a song, they'll have a letter above a word, and that's when you change chords. And then this is a G chord up here on the 7th fret. So you count these metal markings that are frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your finger goes behind that and it gives you an F chord. And then you count 5, 6, 7. There's your 7th fret. Finger goes behind the 7th fret and you have a G chord. So that's that. Now let's do a song. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Now for strumming, I've talked about just using your thumb. I have a tendency to strum with my thumb and the fingernails on these 2 fingers when I play ukulele a lot. Sometimes it's just one finger. There are a lot of different things you can do with the strum, but for now we just want a basic up and down motion like this. So we'll do it one more time. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Okay, so that's it. Work on it. It's a short lesson, I understand that. But next week, we'll develop that song a little more. So until then, the Lord bless you and have a good time with your ukulele.